Welcome all to my new YouTube channel. So here I will be discussing about some of the most frequently asked questions for DHA, MOH and other prometric examinations. And today I will be discussing about some of the repeatedly asked calculation questions from the DHA and MOH previous question paper. So once again, welcome all to my new channel. The question number 1 is the amount of drug is 5 mg in 1 ml and what is the amount of drug in 1 teaspoon in microgram. So it is given that 1 ml of the medicine contain 5 mg of the drug. So if we're taking 1 teaspoonful, and what is the amount of drug? Here what we need to do is we need to do the cross multiplication. So the answer is 5 mg is present in 1 ml of the medicine. So how much amount of drug is present in 1 teaspoon full of medicine? So here the point that we need to careful about is 1 teaspoon is 5 ml. So the actual question is 5 mg is present in 1 ml of drug. So how much mg of drug is present in 5 ml of drug? So we need to do the cross multiplication. So the answer is 25 mg. So again be careful that the question is asked in how much amount of drug is present in 1 teaspoon in microgram. So the answer we got is 25 mg and we need to convert this 25 mg into microgram. So we need to multiply the answer with 1000. So the final answer is 25,000 mcg. Hope you're clear with this. So our next question is 5 ml of injection that's concentration is 0.4 percentage, calculate the amount of drug. So here also we need to do some cross multiplication. So here it is clearly given that the concentration of the drug is 0.4 percentage. So 0.4 percentage means in 100 ml 0.4 is the concentration. So we have 0.4 in 100 ml. So how much amount of the injection is present in 5 ml? So again we need to do the cross multiplication. X is equal to 0.4 multiplied by 5 divided by 100 and we will get the answer as 20 mg. So the answer is 20 mg. So the next question is an elixir contains 0.1 mg of drug X per 1 ml. So 1 ml contains 0.1 mg of drug X and how many micrograms of the drug is present in 1 teaspoon of elixir? So the question is clear that 1 ml of this elixir contains 0.1 mg of the drug X. So if you're taking 1 teaspoon of this elixir, how much quantity of the drug X is present? So here also we need to do the simple cross multiplication process. So 1 ml of the drug contains 0.1 mg of the drug. So 1 teaspoon which is equal to 5 ml contain how much amount of drug? So we can denote this as X. So X is equal to we need to do this simple cross multiplication. So X is equal to 5 into 0.1 divided by 1, which is equal to 0.5 mg. Again we must be very careful about the unit, otherwise we may lose our mark. So the question is they're asked in microgram. So here the answer is in in milligram. So we need to convert this milligram into microgram. So to convert this milligram into microgram, we need to multiply this with 1000. So the answer is 500 microgram. So here the correct answer is the option C, which is 500 microgram. The next question is, a patient is weighing 80 kg is supposed to receive a drug at a dose of 2 mg per kg per day. And what is the dose that the patient should take for each day? So the data here we are having is the patient weight is 80 kg and the dose of the drug is 2 mg per kg. So for each kg that person should take 2 mg of the drug. So the total weight or total kg here is 80 kg. So we need to multiply this 2 mg for this 80 kg. So 80 into 2, the answer is 160 mg. So the total dose of the drug that the patient should take is 160 mg. The next question is how many gram needed from drug in 1 teaspoonful if 5 teaspoonful doses contain 7.5 gram of the drug. So here also we will be doing the simple cross multiplication process. So 5 teaspoon contains 7.5 gram of the drug. So we know that 5 teaspoon is total 25 ml because 1 teaspoon contains 5 ml. So 5 ml multiplied by 5 because we are taking 5 teaspoon. So 7.5 gram of the drug is present in 25 ml. And how much amount of drug is present in 1 teaspoon? See, 5 teaspoon contains 7.5 gram of drug. So 5 teaspoon is 25 ml. So 1 teaspoon is 5 ml. So 5 ml contain how much amount of drug? So again we need to do the simple cross multiplication. X is equal to 7.5 into 5 divided by 25. So the answer is option D, that is 1.5 grams. So answer is the option D. The next question is the potassium iodide solution has 0.5 mg per ml dissolved in 30 ml water and calculate the amount of potassium iodide in the solution. So here what we are doing is we are dissolving this potassium iodide solution in water. So we are dissolving this potassium iodide solution in total 30 ml of water. So the concentration of this potassium iodide solution is 1 ml of the solution contains 0.5 mg of the potassium iodide. So 1 ml of the solution contains 0.5 mg of the potassium iodide. So when we are dissolving this in 30 ml of water, what is the final amount of potassium iodide or what is the concentration of the potassium iodide in the total 30 ml of water or 30 ml of solution? So again here we'll be doing the cross multiplication process. So 1 ml contains 0.5 mg of potassium iodide. So in total 30 ml, how much amount of potassium iodide is present? So this can be represented as X. So again we are doing this cross multiplication. So X is equal to 30 into 0.5 divided by 1. So which is equal to 15 mg. So the answer is option B, 50 mg. So the next question is how can we prepare 100 ml of 12% MgCl by taking? See, we need to prepare 100 ml of 12% magnesium chloride. So here the answer is option B. By 12 gram of MgCl is dissolved in 100 ml of water. So this is a very much simple question, but the thing is you should be very careful about the unit. So the unit used here is a little bit confusing. See, the option A, they are dissolving 12 ml of MgCl in 100 ml of water, and in option B 12 gram of MgCl is dissolved in 100 ml of water, and in the third question 12 mg of MgCl is dissolved in 100 ml of water. So the unit is gram. So be very sure of this. The next question is also the cross multiplication question that we have discussed many times in the previous slides. So how many grams of drug is used to prepare 150 ml of solution if 1 teaspoon contains 7.5 mg of drug? So 1 teaspoon contains 7.5 mg of drug. So we know that 1 teaspoon is 5 ml. So 5 ml contains 7.5 mg of drug. So how much amount of drug is present in 150 ml? So we need to do the simple cross multiplication process. X is equal to 150 into 7.5 divided by 5, which is equal to 225 mg. But the question here is little bit tricky because all the options are present in grams. So in the question it is milligram, but in the options it is gram. So we need to convert this milligram into gram. So in order to convert milligram into gram, we need to divide by 1000. So the answer is 0.225 gram. So the answer is option B, 0.225 gram. So the next question is, drug X is given to a 70 kg patient at an infusion rate of 0.95 mg per kg per hour. How much drug we need for 12-hour infusion bottle? So here the drug given is drug X, and this is given to a patient whose body weight is 70 kg. And the drug is given as an IV infusion. So the time for this IV infusion is 12 hours, and the rate of this IV infusion is 0.95 mg per kg per hour. So for 1 hour, for a 1 kg body weight patient, we will be giving 0.95 mg. So here the patient total body weight is 70 kg, and we are giving this for 12 hours. So the answer is, we need to multiply all this, that is 0.95 multiplied by the patient body weight, that is 70, and that should be multiplied with the total hour of infusion, that is 12. So the answer is 798 mg, which is the option A. So the last question of this video is, 10 gram of a drug was dissolved in 150 gram of the solvent. What is the final concentration? So here also we will be doing the cross multiplication. 150 gram of the solvent contain 10 gram of the drug. So what is the final concentration? So in final concentration we will be taking 100 gram of the solvent. So the amount of drug in the 100 gram of solvent can be denoted by X, and we will be doing the simple cross multiplication. So we will be doing the simple cross multiplication. So X is equal to 10 into 100 divided by 150, which is equal to 15 mg. So the answer is 15 mg. Thanks for watching, and if you're having any doubt or queries, you can comment in the comment box or mail me personally. And a very all the best for your DHA, MOH, HAAD and other prometric exams.